Right, continuing. Our trace table, basically when I entered 120, what happened? Our program catered to only accept values for 0 to 100 for any of the three areas. We had regularity and punctuality, COVID safety measures, and customer feedback. Since I breached that by entering 120, the program will not continue as normal. So this is a test for value greater than 100. What will happen? The program will basically produce this error message. Error point should be between 0 and 100, and it should allow me to re-enter a value that is within the range 0 to 100. All right. After I've done so, um, in my output, basically I catered for that as evidence as well. So when I entered the 120 for customer feedback, I entered 120. The error message was produced. I was prompted to re-enter, and then the prompt customer feedback points, and the cursor would be blinking there, waiting to accept points again for customer feedback. All right. So this output successfully demonstrates that we have successfully tested for an limit of greater than 100. We also did in our previous video a test for a value less than um, 0, right? And so the upper limit and the lower limit was tested, so to speak. We also did the special test of testing for actually ending a value of just 0. Right, just getting back to my trace table. All right, we did a value of 0 as well, and the program accepted that. Um, Basically, we did one for 100 as well. The program accepted that. And to show you again, all right, when we enter 0 for regularity and punctuality, it took the points. When we entered 100 for COVID safety measures, it also accepted the points. Now, it doesn't matter which area it is. It's supposed to work the same the same rules apply to all three areas. All right, so just to get my screenshot, I did it in one, and basically I showed that I did a test for checking for the limit of 0, the lower limit of 0, and for the upper limit of 100. All right, the next test that we did, the next four occurrences was for normal data, and basically that would bring us to enter in all of these values for outlet, um, regularity and punctuality points, COVID safety measures, and customer feedback. We will wind up with this average. This was a normal test, hence you will see normal data. We did that for the four outlets: C3, South Park, Price Plaza, and Gulf City Mall. When we have successfully entered the data and we hit enter, we should wind up with, all right, all of the results being displayed in tabular form. When we also hit enter, what would happen? It will produce the outlet that has the highest average. In this case, it is C3 with an average of 82. Now, this label here is wrong because this was from a previous program. This should have been reading something to the effect of our Platinum Outlet Award winner, and it will be C3. The value will be the same though. Okay, so just remember to change this in your coding. All right.